get the wrong idea
and go, you're gonna. If I put it, all people change on.
Push the button. Push, push, push the button. Push the button. I'm busy throwing hints that he keeps missing. Don't have to think about it. I wanna kiss and everything around it, but he's too distant. I wanna feel his body. I can't resist it. I know my hidden looks can be deceiving, but how obvious should a girl be? I was taken by the early conversation piece, and I really like the way that he respects me. I've been waiting patiently for him to come and get it. I wonder if he knows that he can say it and I'm with it. I knew that I had my mind made up from the very beginning. Catch this opportunity so you can come and feel it, 'cause if you're ready for me, boy, you better push the button and let me know before I get the wrong idea and go. You're gonna miss the freak that I control. I'm busy showing him what he's been missing. I'm kinda showing up for his full attention. My sexy ass has got him in a new dimension. I'm ready to do something to relieve this mission. After waiting patiently for him to come and get it, he came on through and asked me if I wanted to get with him. I knew I had my mind made up from the very beginning. Won't miss this opportunity, and you and me can feel it, 'cause if you're ready for me, boy, you better push the button and let me know before I get the wrong idea and go. You're gonna miss the freak that I control. If you're ready for me, boy, you better push the button and let me know before I get the wrong idea and go. You're gonna miss the freak that I control. I've been dropping so many hints, you're still not getting them.
You're still not getting it.
Now that you've heard everything I have to say, where are we gonna go from here? Shouts Maccadees. After waiting patiently for him to come and get it, he came up through and asked me if I wanted to get with him. I knew I had my mind made up from the very beginning. Don't miss this opportunity so you can feel it, 'cause if you're ready for me, boy, you better push the button and let me know before I get the wrong idea and go. We're gonna miss the freak that I control. If you're ready for me, boy, you better push the button and let me know before I get the wrong idea and go. You're gonna miss the freak that I control. If you're ready for me, boy, you better push the button and let me know before I get the wrong idea and go. You're gonna miss the freak that I control.
Still love it.